Alright, in this video I want to show you how to send a picture, a video, or any attachment on Google Pixel phones. This particular one is a Google Pixel 8, but it doesn't matter if you have a 9 or the new 10 that's coming out, doesn't matter. What you're going to do is, after you type in the message, what you're going to do is click this little arrow here to the left. Let's go ahead and click it. And that's going to bring up this little bar here that's got the positive and picture. So you can just hit this little icon there, and then you could scroll down. I got my pictures here. Or if you want to do a file, you could just hit this little positive here, and that will bring up files, stickers, contacts, locations right there. So that's all you do. So let me go ahead and click the little sticker, and then there's two pictures I want to send. I want to send this one and this one, and then I just hit this little green arrow here to send it. And that's it. All right, thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe.